Got those annoying kitchen clutter moments? Let me show you how my Zulay kitchen silicone utensil rest totally saved my sanity during meal prep. First off, heat resistance? Check. I throw this little guy right next to the stove and it stays cool, no slippage, zero chaos. Perfect, right? Durability test passed. I tossed it in the dishwasher and boom, still solid. No more flimsy plastic junk, this one's built to last. And hey, health nuts, rejoice with me. It's BPA-free. Finally, peace of mind while whipping up deliciousness. Clean and safe equals happiness. For just $7.99, organizing my cooking tools feels luxurious. Seriously, grab yours now and transform your own kitchen zen. Click that buy button today. Same here. Cooking often leaves my countertops a messy disaster zone, but then I found this little gem, the Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. Picture this. It's heat resistant, so it stays put even during intense simmers and boils. And because it's BPA-free silicone, I feel safe using it around food. Cleanup's a breeze too, straight into the dishwasher. My favorite part? Its durability. For just $7.99, it's been a reliable kitchen buddy that keeps things tidy. Ready for spotless counters? Snag yours now and see the difference. Trust me, your cooking space will thank you.